Hi, this scatter is called is it a digit? What do we have to do? Well, we have to implement a function that should return true if the given argument is a digit between 0 and 9, and we have to return false otherwise. Let's go. What we can do is the following. We can return the argument and use the built-in method isDigit. It's a built-in method for strings and it returns if the string is actually a number between 0 and 9. It returns a Boolean value, as you can see, true, and it should return true. Let's pass in something else. This one, for example, that returns false. And yeah, that should basically do the trick. Simple as that. Attempt. Okay. One test case failed. Let's print out the argument as well. This one, 14. Why did that fail? To see type of the argument. Looks like a string, but maybe it's an integer. Attempt. No, it's also a string. Okay. Why is it failing? Should return false. Oh, maybe it has to do with the objective. We should only return if the digit is between 0 and 9, not digits that are greater than 9, so to say. For that, we can use the length property, len, pass in the argument, and as you can see, it returns 2. And then use the following condition. If the length of the argument is more than 1, that should return true. Yeah, true. Then we should do something. So again, let's take this away. If this condition is met, we return false right away. Else, colon, we use this one, the condition that has been successful for all the other cases. There we go, attempt. There we go. Hope this has been useful, that you learned something from it. Well, thank you for watching and hope to see you in another video. Ciao.